Hi friends, today we will learn how to draw a goofy. So let's begin. I'm starting from the eye part, so I draw the eyeball and the eye socket. The second eye and then the eyeball. We will fill the eyeball. Okay. The forehead section that will correspond to the face part. Now working on the exact mouth section where it has the teeth and the lip or a tongue part. This is the teeth number 1, the tongue portion, the nose part, the nose portion, and the teeth number 2. Few dots. So the face section is almost complete. The few remaining thing would be these curved lines and then the ear part. Okay, this is almost the hairs of the goofy. The ear portion, ear number 1, the second ear. The neck part, okay, that's it. So we have completed the drawing. I'm sure you will try this video and let me know your experience in a comment section. I'll meet you in the next video with some new drawing. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.